Hey y'all! Okay, so what I'm going to do, I just did a Bible study, so you'll see that I'm wearing the same clothing from the Bible study. But I really enjoyed doing it, but I just kind of felt the need to do what's in my purse, so we're going to do it. I'll do it now. Alright, what's the purse? We always got to talk about the purse, don't we? I love that sound. I love the sound of the little things on the bottom, the little feet. I love that being on there. Now sometimes there is leather straps, and that's how it works. These are little gold. Do they have the name? Yes, Prada is on the little screws. I don't know if you can see that. You probably can't. This is the Saffiano leather. What does that mean? This is a Prada that I got from, I talked about it in my vlog, that I got, I think it was the third time I ever got a really nice designer handbag. And it was either, I feel bad that I don't remember this, whether it was Tradesy or the Real. I know it wasn't eBay, and because I remember it being authenticated and thinking, this has got to be a knockoff or something because there's nothing wrong with it. But there is. I found a scratch, and this indentation right here I think was from either overloading it or whatever. But now sometimes when I load it up, which I do have it pretty loaded up right now, it indents. What I love about this bag, it's got both a really good set of top handles that are sturdy. It has a nice shoulder strap that's adjustable, as you can see. I've forgotten the name of what this bag's called. I have to look it up and put it on the bottom. But anyway, it's got two outer pockets that are zippered pockets, so you can see this. Like that. These two outer sides are zipperable. Inside of them there is no pockets, I don't think. No. So they're completely open space. They have the Prada logo on the material on the inside, and it's a very nice thick zipper and a really nice pull, and it says Prada Milano. And then there is a big open compartment in the middle, and it has two pockets where I keep some things, and a zipper and a big long pocket that I keep some things. So let's talk about what it is. So let's just go ahead and start looking. So in this first little pocket I have a pen that's just a regular black writing pen, and then I have a colored pen. I always have that in case I need cards or a nice itch of my ear. Some of you are like, why? I don't know, sometimes I do. I kind of itch my ear because I don't know. One of my friends says, you must have eczema in your ears because they're so dry. I think it's just because I keep them too clean. And wax actually is a moisturizer. And the wax in your ear collects, it grabs the boogies of the world that try to get into your ear. So you want to have wax. But I keep mine a little too clean. And I think that's because in the first grade, I saw a little boy that had like, his wax was so old, it was like black orange. And I just got sick at my stomach. I almost think about it right now. And so I will not let my ears get any wax in them. It's just weird. Anyway, okay. I've got a nice fingernail file because ever since I've been working on these nails getting well and not having, you know, nail tips on them, they break so easy that I have to have a constant nail file with me. And this one's kind of cute because it's got little birdies on it. I got this at Wild Birds Unlimited. So that's, and it's just a good rough one side and fairly rough on the other side. There's no, like I have one file that it's got like 7 sides, like 4 sides and then 3, or no, it would have to be 6 sides, 4 sides and then 2. And there are varying levels of roughness to all the way to buffing and to make it shiny. And then of course I have my trusty Chanel lipstick. This is the Lip Intense and Colored Soft Rose, I believe. Yes, my Old Faithful. Have to have that handy. And a mascara I like to have handy. I don't know. I know why it is. So it would be straight up and down, because sometimes I feel like if it sits on its side for the mascara, it doesn't get on the wand as good. And this is the Voluminous Lash Paradise and Waterproof from L'Oreal. I do like that. Remember this morning I told y'all that I got like this new love. I mean, I liked it already, but I like it like all over again now. So I really should put that in here. The Maybelline, the Rocket Volume. That's the word volume without the E on the end, Express, and Black Waterproof. I'll keep them both in here. So see, I'm just loading this up instead of unloading it. Okay, then I keep in here my Chanel. I got this definitely on Tradesy. And it's hot pink on the inside, as you can see. It has a little Chanel logo thingy right there, and there's a tag in there. And then it's black on the outside. It's quilted, and it's got the patent leather double CCs. And then on this side, it's got 2 pockets for cards. And I just usually keep cash and a couple other cards. I'm out of cash. Oh, I remember I gave it for a tip the other day. Because we were so late with something, and I felt so bad for the guy that I just gave him all the cash that I had. And I think I had a 10 and a 5 and 5 ones, because I thought this guy deserves a $20 tip, because anyway, it was after hours. And he waited and helped me with some stuff, and I was just like, you know what, I need to give you some cash, because the rest is going to end up going to your company, and I'm appreciating you right now. So anyway, there is my BAM Books a Million rewards card. Oh, no, wait, that's a $10 reward. So yeah, I need to put that back in my wallet. And then I had these. My husband buys these every time he goes to Crocus. He buys extra Chick-fil-A cards in the card section, or little cash cards. I think one time he got a Home Depot card for himself, and some Chick-fil-A cards. I think he got a McDonald's because he goes by there. Sometimes he gets a biscuit there at breakfast, but he always says they're not as good as Chick-fil-A biscuits, and they're not. So anyway, these, because then when you buy these there, it racks up your points for your gasoline. So I just always keep those and those. And I'm going to put this little rewards card back down in there, because it's like having cash. Okay. So I keep that in the other little side. So I'm sorry, is that right? No. I kept that in this little pocket right there. There's a little long pocket. That'd really be a better place to keep my cell phone. Where's my cell phone? That'd be a better place to keep my cell phone, I think. Or is it deep enough? No, it's not. That's why I changed it. Okay, Beth. Alright, and then in the zipper, I always keep in the zipper pocket one thing and one thing only. Oh, this is just the authentication card. I do leave that in the zipper pocket of any of my bags that I have that. My car keys. Because my car keys, it's a Lexus, and it has that auto start where you press the button, but you do have to have your keys on you in your purse. And then I've got a little, looky there, I don't know if you can see, a little keychain that I got at work. It's a lighted keychain, just a little fun keychain of this girl. It's a girl. Like, instead of having unisex bathrooms, it's a girl bathroom. I'm sorry. I want a girl bathroom only. And then next to that, it's hot pink. I love it. A hot pink Hello Kitty house key. This is a doggy tag that I got, and it had little pink rhinestones on it, so I made one for each of my babies, and actually they have different ones now, but this one was for me, and it just says my name and my email, and it also has my phone number, in case I ever lost this and someone would be honest and bring it back. And it's all on a really pretty Brighton hook keychain, and it's got a Brighton butterfly, because y'all know I love butterflies, so that goes in the zipper always. Okay, so in the middle I have this. Y'all seen this before. This is my little makeup pouch for long skinny things. So it's got another Lash Paradise. Let me take that out. There's too many mascaras in there. Oh my gosh. 2 of the same thing, and I've got a third one. Y'all. Are they all soft rose? They are. No, one's light rose. Okay, well I'll keep the light rose, because that way I have a soft rose and a light rose. You know. You need to have options. Another ear scratcher gel pen. I just scratch the edge. I'll just tell you what I do. Don't ever stick it down in your ear. I scratch the edge with the end of a pen cap. But don't ever put it in your ear, because your eardrum's very short distance down your ear canal, and if you puncture it, you'll be deaf. And not to mention excruciating pain. Another nail file. I do need it though, because this has got, okay, this one, see how it's got 2 colors and a third side? That has a buffer that you can buff it out to be shiny with, and I actually do need that. I have, just in case you ever have a zit, which I never have zits, but I do have age spots. I like to have concealer with me. I don't know why. Just in case this is ever really bad, or I have something come up that I think, like a little rash, something where I need to cover it up. You should always have cover up with you. This is my famous, I always tell you all about this, Almay Intense Eye Color crayon, and this is Black Raisin 004, and I think it was also called Black Amethyst. It's had several names, but instead of being a brown, it's actually like a dark plum. and it's perfect for doing my eyebrows. It's a thick nib instead of a really skinny one, because the really skinny ones run out really quick. Like here's a skinny one. Why do I have two? This is Maybelline Brow Precise Micro Pencil, and it's just like an Anastasia Brow Wiz, or a lot of them where it's such a tiny, tiny nib that it's just uses up so quick. But I do like that on the other end it's got a spoolie to brush through your brows, so I do like that. Here's a pen. Here's another pen. Here's another pen. Here's another nail file. Okay, this is why you do these, because you realize, okay, I have way too many of the same thing. Here is a eye crayon and an eyeliner, Tardis. That's great for your purse, but here is another eyebrow. I think it's a different color. It doesn't say the color. It really doesn't. Why? Brown. No, it doesn't have a color. Shame on you. Oh well, I got two of the same thing. Then I always have an extra little perfume. This is Daisy by Marc Jacobs. Then of course I always keep a little size of my very favorite of all time, Boucheron by Boucheron. And then I have these little things, which I absolutely love having these. They're little floss sticks, but they've got a little floss to get in between your teeth, and also a little pick on the end, a little sharp pick on the end, so you can get between little nooks and crannies on the inside. Carry 3 of those at a time. So what are we going to put back in? The concealer, the perfumes, because I like to have a choice. We're going to choose one brow pencil. I'll do the light rose and put it back. One nail file. We don't need all those nail files. I don't know. Yeah, because I'm going to put the buffer in here. And one ink pen and one gel pen. Okay. Next, my pill case. It's a doggy pill case. I like it because it's hot pink and has little doggy paws. That's for your little dog. But I have several vitamins I'm taking now. Vitamin B, vitamin D,